GAZ-66 is a Soviet off-road truck. It was one of the cargo vehicles for the infantry of the Soviet Army and is still used in the former Soviet Union countries. Approximately 1 million GAZ-66 truck were produced for both military and civilian purposes. It has gained legend status in many countries of the world with its reliability, simplicity, and land capability. Thanks to standard features such as the front-mounted winch, central tire inflation system, self-locking differentials, it enjoys great popularity among the armed forces and field enthusiasts. This truck, which was first produced in 1964, stopped production in 1999. GAZ-66, which is produced as 4 different models in total, was produced under the name of main model, military model, export model, and customized models. The truck, which has a loading capacity of 2 tons, can carry up to 4 tons in total with the trailer attached at the back. Thanks to its 120 horsepower engine, it can reach a speed of 90 km speed on asphalt roads. This Legend, which measures 5.8 meters in length and 2.3 meters in width and 2.5 meters in height, can even climb a flat wall with its 18-inch tires. The truck is equipped with an 8-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. The vehicle is of the cabin-mounted engine type and has a low center of gravity. Thanks to this feature, it shows an incredible balance in turns. Received multiple upgrades over the course of mass production, and these were named 11 and 40. However, it was generally referred to as GAZ-66 in the armed forces and neighboring countries. This legendary truck, which is the subject of computer games, movies, books, and TV shows, has been exported more than 190,000 to 4 continents, including Eastern Europe, Middle East, Africa, and Asia. It is mentioned in a novel by Tom Clancy in 1991. It was shown as a military transport vehicle in the game Call of Duty: Black Ops in 2010. It was used in the television show Top Gear and in the movie The Expendables 2. Most importantly and most sadly, it was used by General Vladimir Pukhilov and his soldiers as commander of chemical troops in the Chernobyl disaster in 1986. Finally, it was used in the convoy scene in the movie Wonder Woman, which was released last year. GAZ-66 had 3 flaws in total. The first is the incredibly high fuel consumption, the location of the gearbox that always makes the driver difficult, and the metal seats in the front cabin are located exactly on the front wheels. Although the first 2 flaws were always resolved in some way, the third flaw was very brutal. During the Soviet-Afghanistan War, the explosion of mines under the wheels of the vehicle always caused very fatal injuries and direct deaths from these seats. In the late 80s this problem was noticed and the vehicle was immediately pulled out of the battlefield and was replaced by other vehicles. Later, the interior trim was improved, the tools and panels in the cabin were improved, a new carburetor was added, a new ignition system was added, and tubeless tires were added. In this way, fuel consumption from 31 liters was reduced to 26 liters. After the truck started to be exported, new problems started to arise. These were problems that affected not the vehicle operation but the driver's morale. The engine mounted in the cabin next to the driver was having a hard time in hot climates. The developers had a hard time dealing with this problem. Especially the summer months were difficult for drivers. Thanks to its easy design and simple engineering, the vehicle has always been subjected to new trials. Examples of this include the jet engine, tracked wheels, and semi-open cabin trials. But it has not caught the attention of any Moscow. GAZ-66, whose activities in the army ended with the release of ZIL-131, has become ideal for civilian use.